The beginning of this new decade threw all of us into an unprecedented series of events, where a minuscule mutant made our human lives critical and brought us to a halt like nothing else could. This is Vibha Galotra, artist working and living out of Delhi, the capital city of India and one of the most populated and polluted cities in the world. For me, it was an obvious, organic, but very urgent inclination to investigate nature's fall in the new urbanization, attached with other capitalist and political ideas, of course. I really feel uncertain about the future as I am uncertain about the new urbanization in the age of Anthropocene. But struggle of knowing it, observing the ruptures, and making of the new structures stimulates me as an artist to present the issue of my time. People do say that there is a hint of activism in my work, but I'll say this is my concern as a human being, as an artist living on this planet. I believe art gives me opportunity to acclimatize the world for the weird realities of time and urge me to often question where are we going from here on. This pandemic, or to say this biohazard, where the variant is becoming nation's war. In my opinion, this is a forewarning from nature, a reminder that our current practices and systems, be it political or economic, are unviable. While the global economy is crashing, leading people to fear for their livelihood, the socio-cultural effects of the pandemic are expected to result in a new kind of antagonism or inequality. We surely are in this new world order now. The decision our governments will take now will shape the world for years to come. 2020 was a year where we were at a halt, and 2021 seems repeating the previous year. These 2 years might be written as a black period in our history. I believe this Earth Day, we all can pledge and come together to celebrate each day as Earth Day and imagine together the Earth which we want to inhabit. Wish you all a very, very happy Earth Day with all its wonders, beauty and love.